Let's address the main question. Officially, you usually cannot directly install IPTV apps on Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio's SmartCast operating system has a limited app store compared to Android TV or Roku. This means popular IPTV apps may not be available for direct download. Don't worry, there are workarounds which we'll explore. The easiest way to use IPTV on your Vizio is by casting from your phone or tablet. First, ensure your Vizio TV and mobile device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open your IPTV app on your mobile device and select the channel you want to watch. Look for the cast icon, usually a rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol. Tap the cast icon and select your Vizio TV from the list of available devices. The IPTV stream should then appear on your TV. A reliable method for accessing IPTV on your Vizio TV is using a third-party streaming device. Options include Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Chromecast with Google TV. Connect the streaming device to your Vizio TV using an HDMI port. Ensure the device is powered, typically via USB or a power adapter. These streaming devices have broader app stores compared to Vizio's SmartCast platform, allowing you to install various IPTV applications. Install your preferred IPTV app directly on the streaming device. Once installed, launch the app and configure it with your IPTV service credentials. On your Vizio TV, use the Input button on your remote to select the HDMI input where the streaming device is connected. This will display the device's interface on your TV screen. With this setup, you'll have access to a much wider range of IPTV services and applications that aren't available natively on Vizio SmartCast TVs. As an example, here's how to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on a Fire Stick. First, install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Use Downloader to search for and download the IPTV Smarters Pro APK. Enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader in your Fire Stick settings. The APK? Open IPTV Smarters Pro. Enter your IPTV provider's credentials, usually a username, password, and server URL. Start streaming. The process is similar on other Android-based streaming devices. Vizio TVs come with WatchFree Plus, a free streaming service offering various channels without requiring custom IPTV providers. While not traditional IPTV, it provides a cord-cutting alternative for free viewing options. The WatchFree Plus channel lineup includes sports, entertainment, and reality shows like MLB, NFL, ET Live, I Love Reality, Wild 'N Out, and others. Vizio TVs also come with pre-installed streaming apps for additional viewing options. These include popular services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, Apple TV+, and more. Before using any IPTV service, ensure it's legal and reputable. Using unauthorized IPTV services can lead to legal issues and expose you to security risks. Stick to providers with proper licensing. Avoid services offering suspiciously low prices. Always use a strong password. Consider a VPN for added security. If you encounter buffering or connection problems, first check your internet speed. Restart your Vizio TV and your router. Ensure your IPTV app is up to date. If casting, move your mobile device closer to the TV. If using a streaming device, try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling it. Contact your IPTV provider for service-specific issues. If the stream is choppy, it may mean that your internet connection is not sufficient enough for streaming high-resolution video. Make sure to check your internet speed meets the minimum requirements for the resolution of video that you are trying to stream.